Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Today let me show you how I made this delicious sausage stew which I paired with boiled yam. It was so delicious. Let's get started. Here I have my chicken sausage which I'll be using for this stew. I'll go ahead now and cut them into smaller sizes or shapes. My oven for about 20 minutes. You can also air fry this or fry it with oil or put it direct in the stew. It will also cook. So but I'm going to grill it. We're going to be eating our sausage stew with boiled yam. So I'm going to cut and boil my yam. I like the yam. I'll rinse or wash the yam, then transfer into a pot, add some water and salt, and cook. And while that is cooking, we now make our sausage stew. So I'll start by adding some vegetable oil into my pot. And when it gets hot, we then add some chopped onions. I'll stir fry this for about 2 minutes. I'll also flavor it with little salt. I'm not using much salt because of the salt in my sausage. I'll also add bay leaf. I learned this from my sister. I believe you me, it gives a whole lot of flavor to the stew. Delicious flavor to the stew. After stirring that for about a minute, I'll now add my tomato mix. This is a mixture of fresh tomatoes, pepper, and tatashi or bell pepper, you can call it that. Some onions, ginger, and garlic. I blended everything together, boiled it down, and then ready for this. So I mix that very well. I'll also be adding little tomato paste. Mix them very well, after which I'll then cover and allow this to fry for about 5 to now for about 7 minutes. So I'll now stir very well again and season it with some thyme, curry powder. I also have parsley, dry parsley, So I'll add all that into my stew. Use any spice or seasonings of your choice. I have some leftover chicken stock in my freezer, so I will also add that. You may not need to add more water. Then I'll stir and mix everything together, cover and allow to cook or fry again for about 10 minutes. Our stew is well fried now. I'll take out the bay leaf which I added earlier on, and then it will be time to add our main ingredient, which is the grilled sausage. At this point, the taste is very delicious. So I'll just cover it again and allow it to simmer for a few minutes, and our stew will be ready. Is ready, very yummy and ready. But I have one more last thing to add it, and that is our spring onions. If you have curry leaf or basil leaf, you can also add that. It takes the taste to the highest level, to the level you would cannot explain. It makes it very delicious. And after a minute, our stew is ready. Our sausage stew is ready. And the boiled yam is also ready. All that is left now is to serve it. I enjoyed this sausage stew with boiled yam, but you can also enjoy it with boiled rice or pasta. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.